Sorkar jala kangej ba omdan kanu ru kajing kabamla banyapen bej hisien belawan ra hakami Jingiakren kumta kajingon chakmat jakaseng Hnlc Jingiakren Iasuk bar Sorkar lengbau ba sadon bla oban mikmat yakaseng bat uba PS takar oban mikmat Sorkar kande kasin jam kabala banwan ra biang ke suk sain hakajala megalaya bar Sorkar kan le Katba ban Peit bakani Jingiakren Iasuk bar kaseng Hnlc kan long ka Iaid Beit.
The government of Meghalaya have the determination that no issue could not be resolved if we could talk on the table. So this process has started. As you know, that the Hnlc have agreed to talk with the government unconditionally, and they have nominated Sadon Bla as the representative, and we from the government have nominated PS Khan, retired IAS, as our representative, and so that the talk could happen and reach its logical conclusion. So we from the state of Meghalaya, it's not the question of safe passage or anything. We will do everything to see that the talk could happen in a conducive atmosphere. Talk could happen in an atmosphere where mutual trust, confidence is there, so that peace in the state of Meghalaya could be able to achieve.